There in the concrete jungle in New York. Don't. That a go on pan what a go on. Well, I will not answer. I know my phone good as better away.
You get trouble on that side.
Three them and block it. Barclays.
Yo, Street U TV. Yo, the Youth Them TV. Jonah Reed represent. See? Yeah, in Darcy, Flash and Pass it. Modern vampires of the city. Until blood, blood, blood.
Paper. Brooklyn. See it there? Brooklyn. Barclays Center. See it there? We in Brooklyn. Yeah, Atlantic Avenue. Alright, so Bounty Killer t-shirt, then I'll give you a shot of it, see there? Bounty Killer t-shirt. Yes, so the general, the Barclay Stadium. Yeah, Rodney Price. Hey, how much is your shirt them? $50. Yeah, once you have $50 for your Bounty Killer. Once you have $50 for your t-shirt them. Yeah, see it there? Huh? The dog come from 50 come to 30 a while ago, dog. Quick from 50 to 30, dog. That's like give me 30. People in the heart of the Brooklyn. So, over there, so the show they keep. Yeah. Over there, so the show they keep. Barclay Center. We're ready for enter. Yeah, see the paper. Show man them there. Start them.
Shout out the channel, man.
Yeah, man. Yo.
Yo, Smacky Boss, Vlog TV. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. And
Man, so like, share, and subscribe. To
yes. Your channel name?
Street U TV.
Street U TV. And don't forget, Smacky Boss TV.
You hear that? That is it.
Yeah. Right now, we're at Barclay Center. We're returning after Ground Godzilla.
15 years.
You hear that? Not only that, Massacre, Movado, and the whole alliance have got attendant.
No appliance, one alliance.
Right, you hear that from the man himself.
Street you, do it you, beat them like a beetroot.
Alright, remember, like up the video, share up the video, and subscribe to the Dark TV.
That is it, that is it.
I remember.
How long are you listen to Bounty Killer?
From your youth, man.
Man say for my youth, him a listen Bounty
from a
Killer.
tender age, you know the gun god. One Godzilla, man, the Godfather. Yeah, man, the father for the alliance.
The father for reggae music, dancehall music, where they carry upon him back for years. I know him started. But him have the relay, they run the relay, the race. Done. That is it.
Watch the video.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Right.
See the subscribe button right up here, so just give it a subscribe. Touch it. You see me?
Don't cause.
So people, this is it. They show this. Yeah, huh? $10. Man, say $10 for your t-shirt then. Let's support it. I have $20. We shot them. We two of them. Medium one. Alright, go and buy it for them. Let me give. So we are support the Bounty Killer t-shirt them right here, so. We are buy some Bounty Killer t-shirt right here, so from the man himself. They are the Bounty Killer show. You want to the one with all of them, pan the Mavado and the whole of them. Yo, come. Okay, up on the back that. Yo, hold it up, let me see that. So, the shirt them this, Bounty Killer. Now all the artists about on the show. That is it. You see me? Yeah, bro. Take care of yourself, man. Yes, sir. So, the line this is going at the show. Man. Yeah, bro.
Yes, me dog.
So, hear me I say now. What? How long now you listen Bounty Killer? You come to go to the show?
Listen, dog.
Hold on there, cause we want to get the thing right, you know. Hold this and talk to me. Yeah, how long now you listen Bounty Killer, Jah?
Dog, me a 44
44.
years.
And him not there for 15 years.
Me a years me a wait for this dog.
Yeah, you wait for this for years, Dada. Jah know
I'm here
you.
now.
Jah know you.
Yo, the Don have to show up. Vibes have to show up, dog.
Yeah, Vice Cartel. They say him have to show up.
Not for sure, dog.
I think him saying they are Europe, you know. Him a go to Europe to do a show, you know. Probably he just
For
said
true,
that.
for true.
Him saying they are Europe. Tonight.
But me here though, dog.
And tonight, you know, tonight, Alkaline, they are Jamaica. Tonight. With the new rule.
Me not deal with alkaline, dog. A Gaza thing this.
Yeah, man. Alliance. All right, my
Yes,
general.
dog.
Just take care of yourself. See? Yeah. So, viewers and subscribers are here. Well, say Alliance, Bounty Killer.
I say you're straight yard, man.
All right. Hear me, I say. I want to hear from you. What you have to say about the show tonight?
Well, I was so excited, man.
You excited?
Yeah.
Talk and tell the people them. Yeah. How long now you listen Bounty Killer?
Since we were a little pitney in the 90s.
From the 90s you listen Bounty Killer?
Yes.
So you from Brooklyn?
No, I'm originally from Connecticut.
You coming from Connecticut now to listen to Bounty Killer?
No, I come from Boston now.
What?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
So, wish you all the best in the show. So you're looking forward for the show then?
Yes.
All right, that is it. Can I talk to you for a little boss man? Where you going with me, General? Where you say, Killer Straight Alliance, no appliance. So hear me I say, how long now you listen to Killer, me General?
93.
From 93.
Sir.
Like, couple shop people dead. Bad man kill for fun.
Yeah, you go.
Gia know you.
Yeah, man,
A long time man I listen to Bounty Killer here. So you're real Alliance fans. That is it. One alliance, no appliance.
There you go.
Big up yourself in the general.
Bless up.
Yeah, man. You heard from the man himself. So I hear somebody listen to Bounty Killer from 93. Yeah, what you pray? So we're there now. General, where you going, Dada? How long now do you listen to Bounty Killer, man? So talk to me now, man. How long now do you listen to Bounty Killer?
Yes, please, Bounty Killer, yes, man. Yeah. House parties is one.
How long now you listen to Bounty
Best
Killer?
ever.
How long now you listen to Bounty Killer?
80, 90, 90, 90.
Early 90s.
Yeah, definitely.
So you are one of the groundation fans.
Yeah, long time.
All right. Wish you all the best in our show, in my general.
Please, man.
Yeah, man. We are look forward to the show a long time. You see me?
Yeah, I've been looking for, it's close to the right place. My birthday.
Yo, the man said,
House party.
a killer is a killer wherever he may be.
Yes, man.
So you know where I go on.
Yeah,
A fool artist.
Prince,
You see me? I say, yeah, man. I will build the gully, I will build the Gaza, I will build the plaza. That's your word, man. I like this idea. You see me, general? All right, people. Hello, my lady.
How are you?
You're a Bounty Killer fan?
Bounty Killer on the murder, right?
Bounty Killer on the borderline.
No,
Borderline.
yes.
So, how long now you listen Bounty Killer?
Wait, have you recorded me already?
How long now you listening? How long now you listening Bounty Killer, ma'am?
You put me on the spot.
How long now you listening Bounty Killer?
Introduce yourself. How are
My
you?
name is Street Youth TV.
Street View TV.
So
alright.
say hi, Street Youth. Yeah, can I do that? I can do that.
Hello.
So I said, beat youth, beat them like a beetroot. And we're there, and the truth, and we're there to execute.
Yes.
Bounty Killer,
Yes.
Rodney Price.
Yes. Since maybe the 90s, my best friend is Jamaican.
Wow.
Shout out to Tweet.
Street Youth.
Patrice and Auntie Dawn them.
All right. So, where are some general? Bless up yourself in a moment. Bounty Killer fan. How long now you listen to Bounty Killer? Tell the people.
Long time.
Long time.
Yeah. This is Papa Rich Spring Valley.
Watch the man. Papa Rich Spring Valley.
Yeah, and I came out here from Spring Valley. Big up the whole Spring Valley. Big up the whole Robbie Connors too. Big up Jabba too.
Watch that. So, I don't know normal.
Yes, family.
You hear it from the man.
Bless up.
You hear it from
Big up Bounty Killer. Big up Bounty Killer.
Yes, Bounty Killer in our house. Yes.
All right. Bounty Killer on the borderline.
Yes, Papa.
Come
All right, the general. That's that word. You hear it. Well, you hear it from the man himself. The big up backhand and them man there. You see it? So you want one. Family. We're there, you know. I shout out for the Bounty Killer thing, because you know we have to represent. How long now you listen to Bounty Killer, mama?
From me a baby.
So tell me now, TV this, you know, so make we know where I go on. From your baby, you listen to Bounty Killer.
Straight Killer, straight alliance.
One alliance, no appliance.
No appliance. No appliance.
And we build the gully, and we build the Gaza, and we build the plaza.
Nothing can go on alliance.
Hey people, a straight alliance fans, them yeah.
Straight alliance.
Bounty Killer straight, we represent.
One killer.
One killer, a killer.
For governor.
Yeah, a killer is a killer wherever he may be.
Anyway. Long time, yeah. Shout out straight. Straight.
A killer man, where he help all the poor people them everywhere where we go.
Really.
Make sure them go through the gate without a penny. So big up yourself, you know, and give thanks and praise. General, sorry about the way me pop in for the things still about. For a killer thing, we should not offend about nothing. For a killer thing. Yeah, man. All right, people. Like, share, and subscribe. About a killer thing. So peeps, yeah, so we're there shout out for the Street Youth TV. General, you're a Bounty Killer fan? Alright, me see it, sir. People, show you they got shot where. That me I tell you. Show you they got shot where, peeps. So, I saw the thing set. We're there to hear for the people and what them think about the show. You see me? Bounty Killer fans? Bounty Killer fans? Yo!
Street Youth TV, what?
Y3, Street Youth TV, a Bounty Killer fan.
Yeah, man, all the way from
How long now you listen to Killer?
Yeah.
How long now you listen to
From I
Killer?
go Woolman's Prep, man.
Woolman's Prep.
Yeah, man.
I don't do that, me G.
So you know, man.
You're no foundation, you're a groundation.
Yeah, man. Big man thing, man.
Just you know, the man a groundation. Man, I listen Killer from way out there, so.
Yeah, Woolman's Prep, Woolman's Boys days, man.
Yeah, man. You want to shout out nobody?
Yeah?
You want to shout out no one?
Bless up all the hard man, man. Sorry for them.
All the hard man, them. One alliance, no appliance. You see me?
I don't know.
All right.
Yeah, hold on, I'm sure something.
Yeah, man.
I'm sure something. Meet the big man a yard and go.
Yeah, man. Jay know you. Yo, as much as you see them man there, yo, them man they humble, you know that.
I'm so much Jamaican meet him, man.
Yeah. So big up yourself, you know that.
That's what God.
Yeah, man, give thanks. Well, Street Youth, you know, see it. We out here, they represent. Bounty Killer up on the borderline. Where's Samichi? How long are you listen Killer? Tell them, man.
Yeah,
yo, I want Killer fans.
One way, man, from Maxfield Avenue straight. Yeah, man.
What?
Whole heap of years we are listen Killer, man, for real.
Big artist,
Mad, yeah,
good
man.
artist.
Best artist.
Ever.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Make sure
Baby
say,
days,
yeah, man. The man make sure say people
Yeah,
cover
man.
anything.
Yeah, man. Every time, man. For
Yeah,
real,
man.
Yeah,
Them man,
Mad.
they bad, them man, they bad, they don't have bad heart.
Yeah, man. Man, they just, you see me?
Yeah.
Man. Kill all the way, man.
So you hear that, people?
Yeah, man.
A Barclays with them.
Yeah, man.
You see me? Yeah. And guess what? See the line that you going at the show? So all who think the show now shot way, you not talk say killer can't pull out nowhere. I wanna do. Say killer can't pull out nowhere. Watch from the crowd where they're going at the show. See the crowd where they're going at the show? You don't say Bounty Killer can't pull out Barclays. I want to know. At the headliner for the show, I always remember that. You see me? So people, a Barclays with them. Brooklyn. You see me? What going on, General? How long now you listen to Bounty Killer, man?
From the day me drop out of the mother room.
And Killer, your artist?
Straight.
One killer.
One killer.
One Killer? Come say something to me, make we hear that, no, man.
One killer.
One Radley.
Okay.
Basil.
One the surprise.
One Radley.
The
Jaja.
last son.
Jaja.
Yeah.
I love that.
All right.
I mean, I see no more artists in a Killer alone, me I look on it now.
One Ground Godzilla, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, street youth.
Street youth.
One
TV,
street
big up
youth.
yourself.
Ice cold. Out of the represent, cause guess what? Them say Killer can't follow up Barclays. I killer the headliner, you say, you know.
From Mr.
Killer
Killer,
full out.
that's where I work with.
Killer full out Barclays. Him a full out Flatbush. Him a full out Atlantic Avenue. Killer full out the whole of Brooklyn. Just know that.
That is it. A killer place.
Remember in a BK and a BK.
A killer yard with the brother.
Alright.
Killer yard, my general. Yeah. Respect you, man.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Cause no man when me talk to a woman when me talk to right now about killer, not supposed to feel offended when me hold this and say killer. You see me I say?
One killer.
Yeah, man. Brace up yourself, me dada. Rodney Basil Price, what you say? How long you listen to Killer, me general?
1994.
From 94?
Yeah.
And a straight Rodney Price, you say?
5 Bounty Killer straight.
Alright, me general, me hear that now, loud and clear.
1994.
Yeah, what? You a Killer fans, dada?
Straight.
Tell them, man.
Straight Killer fans. Kingston Godzilla, you see me? Straight from out of here. Godzilla. Straight to TV, big up yourself. All over the street. Every time, anytime, anywhere.
Natural. Yeah, man. That's our word, you know, dada. So, you hear from the people them with a rep for Bounty Killer. One Godzilla. You want to go on now? Mama, how long do you listen to Bounty Killer? You are Rodney Price fans? Eh?
From the 80s.
From the-
long time. Of course, what's up, Street UTV? Straight from Crown Heights, Brooklyn. Always. Bounty Killer from Biltmore days, Starlight days. You know what I'm saying? Love People #1 days on Washington Avenue. Come with it.
Looking forward for the show, right?
Of course. Of course. It's going to be something nice.
Respect. Yeah, man.
All right. Take
care of
care.
yourself.
You
know.
too.
And thanks. Nice talking to you.
You too.
All right. People. All right. That's how they represent for the Killer One Godzilla. All right. So we're there. Oh yeah, I have a ticket. I'm not ready to come in yet. See? Let's go and do some little thing as well. I'm not ready yet. All right. Yeah, me Jay. All right. Yeah, peeps. We're there. I represent for the Killer. That's it. One Rodney Price.
These are the only people that God love. Did you know that? Or you believe God loves everybody?
So
God love the first one.
we have the show, and we have God thing go on in the midst. As you can see, that go on. So we have to have God in everything where they go on. You see me?
Chapter 28 and verse 4.
Yeah, that go on.
Moreover, all these verses shall come upon
God
thee,
of fear in everything where they go on. God of
and overtake thee,
so the thing said.
that thou be destroyed, because thou hearkenest
not unto the voice of the Lord thy God, to keep his commandments and his statutes which he commanded thee. Verse 46. And they shall be on thee for a sign and for a wonder and for thy seed forever. See that? So it's going to be a sign on us, the curses, and on our seeds forever. And I quote that up to show you that right. It's it. So go to verse 60. Listen to this.
So people, you know God affina everything where we are going with. So me I move on and talk to some people pertaining to the show. Bounty Killer, they deal with that thing you're devil tonight. Rodney Price, son. Tell the people, you know, man. How long have you listened to Bounty Killer?
Bounty my whole life.
Your whole life? So you are a Rodney Price?
Wow, Lord, you don't know.
So how long have you listened to Bounty Killer?
Same, whole life.
So, what your favorite Bounty Killer song?
Sufferer.
Born as a sufferer, grew up as a sufferer.
Hey,
You don't know.
hey.
Alright.
Living dangerously.
Yes, fam. Give thanks. Yeah? You hear that from the people who love to hear Bounty Killer. Them come out to represent for the artist, don't it? Oh. So people, there so they represent for the people them. Barclays, Bounty Killer, One Godzilla. How long do you listen to Killer, my general? How long do you listen to Killer? Eh? Yo, talk to me something about Killer. Tell me something about Killer. Tell me something about Killer. Now listen, yo, man. Me now just tell me how long do you listen to Killer?
1 Uno.
Eh?
1 Uno.
1 Uno.
Yeah.
Alright, it speaks for itself. Yo, Street Youth TV. So, we are going to represent the Killer. And we're there. Oma, Rodney Price, Basil. How long do you listen to Killer? Talk to it. Talk to it. How long do you listen to Killer?
Years.
Years. And you're waiting on this show. Anticipating.
Miss Ivy last one.
You hear that? Miss Ivy Lawson. Straight Rodney Price. You see me? Yeah, man, we are artists, man. And if we not come out, nobody else now going to come out. So we have to make people. Them say Killer can't follow up Barclay. And he can't pull crowd. What do them?
Crowd there already.
That's all right. Give thanks to them, man. I enjoy the show. So come in there, but I go and do some little side thing, you see me? That is right.
Street Youth TV.
That is it. Big up yourself. Street Youth, do it youth. Beat them like a beetroot. Alright? People, as long as you can look on the crowd and the line this for the show. Yeah. Watch the line for the show. Bounty Killer. What go on, G? What go on now? How long are you listen to Killer, man?
Yo, from here, I look a boy in the Friday night 90s when Killer and Bounty Killer and Beanie and all of them clash a yard. Long time I listen to Killer.
Straight Killer fan.
I remember Killer and Beanie used to battle all the time.
Yeah, man. Our artist, man. Our artist.
Killer, Beanie, all of them.
Yeah, man.
Come on, respect Street Youth TV.
Yeah, man. Are you a Killer fan? So which one? What's your favorite Killer song?
Movado. I like Movado.
Yeah, oh yeah, but I still Killer. I killer Billy Plaza and I him Billy Gaza.
Yeah, man.
You see me? I say, so if you say Mavado, you still a Killer. If you say Gaza, you still a Killer. As a film, I mute them. You see me?
I
respect them. Yeah, man. Full enjoy yourself in our show. Yeah, mama. Yeah. That is it. What go on, G? Talk to me something about Killer now, no? How long are you listen to Killer, Jaja?
Years, man. Over 10 years at least.
Oh, you just started listening to Killer, man.
No, man.
At 15 years, you know, come to New York. So how you feel if you know, say, yo, Killer, they go mash up the show, yeah.
For real.
You're looking forward to it,
yes,
right?
Sir, yes, sir.
What's your favorite Bounty Killer song?
I mean, all black. That's the true right there.
Yeah, man. That's our word, man. All black. See him run out what the answer. Barclays! It's going to be a Darkleys! My respect, yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
When I say you're a Killer fan, so tell me something about Killer now, man. Let me know where you're going. How long now you listen to Killer, my general?
Original, OG.
OG.
Yeah,
When you say OG, that speak for itself, you know?
Yeah, original all day.
The man say, man.
Old school, that's the
Yeah.
pioneers. You know how we got Jay-Z now? So
Yeah.
You know, like, he want to be up there for me. Bounty Killer, who else? Beanie Man,
Yeah.
Movado.
What's your favorite Bounty Killer?
Oh, damn. So I gotta hear it.
Yeah. I know what you're saying. I know what you're talking about.
That's the difference, you know, it's hard.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Accent, you know, I man, barbecue.
Big up yourself, you know, man. Big up yourself. Well, you hear it, you know, from the people, them. Huh? Our number one killer fan that. Oh my God. Yo, G. So you're OG, right? Straight killer fan. Tell me something. How long are you listen to Killer?
Maybe about like 10 years, killer music listen. Maybe like 10 years, maybe like, yeah.
So you look forward to the show, yeah? Like how you out there, so you're not going to go in there.
You know that's about to be a million of them out here, B. You know that shit.
So you're not going to go in this then?
Nah, they don't.
Because you're up on the work, no?
Just got to work, yeah, we outside with it. Outside good.
Hope you can see some clippings here and there, you see me?
Yeah.
On YouTube and whatever.
Let's see, my name Goon Bello. Make sure please follow. These niggas is out here, B, for real. Street UTV.
That is it. Street youth, do it youth. Beat them like a beetroot. Alright? That is it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're there to represent for the Killer show. So, paper, you can see the line. Bounty Killer t-shirt. You see the line up for the show. That is it. One alliance, no appliance. Gaza with Billy Plaza. Out of the represent the Bounty Killer. As you can see, the Barclay Stadium there. The people and they're going there. That's what it look like. So paper, non-joke boy. Yes, sir. Representing. So what go on, General? Tell us about Bounty Killer show tonight.
One. Yo, it's a mad thing. Trust me.
That is it.
Yo.
What am I saying?
Yo, so what we were doing, yo. Everything shut. Come on. Trust me.
So,
sell up.
For you say NSC a killer, you are saying, you know?
Come on.
A killer represent NSC, you know?
Come on. Now, really.
Killer represent NSC. How long are you listen Killer?
For the longest, you heard? Since me young. Trust me.
Yeah. It seems to still young, but a killer is still
but you know, yeah, man.
Yeah. That is it, bro. That is it.
Bounty Killer God.
That's a word, man. That is it. Oh,
yo, Street UTV. Out and back.
All right, my general, that is it. So we're out there to represent for the Killer straight. What you say? Yo, tell me something about Killer now. How long have you listen to Killer, man?
Yo, around 30 years now, no. More 35 years.
35 years now you listen to Killer?
One warlord, yeah man. Straight.
Godzilla.
The General.
Young Godzilla.
Straight.
Yeah, I look forward to the show, yeah.
Yeah, man. Great.
What's your favorite Bounty Killer song, man?
Book.
Never pressure on the book.
Yeah, man.
Foolish, you might turn up, book. The education
Excuse past my cellular phone. That was my first song.
Okay.
Yeah, man. From there until now. Straight.
That is it.
TV. Don't know. Street UTV. Straight.
I'm going with dog, you good? You ready for cut? Yo, dog, you know I'm not drinking cold water, you know, dog. Nothing for your meat. Where's that come here talk, you know? You say I'm going to drink cold water? Guys, gone! I have a room temperature in my bag still. So people, you know what time it is. What you say? I look forward for the show?
No.
Oh, you're not looking for, you're just a hustler?
Yes, my man.
Alright, a hustling I go on right as a cold water. Yeah, I don't drink cold water, bro. I don't drink cold water.
Okay, no problem.
I water have to be room temperature.
Cold water, $1. Cold water, $1.
Yeah. Bounty Killer represent. Young Godzilla. Looking forward for the show? Yeah. Forward for the show. So you're a Bounty Killer fan. See you come out in your full black. Alright, my general. Let's say a word, man. Alright, let's say a word. Let's say a word. So you can see we are the Barclay Center. I look forward for the killer show. Ready to do a killer attack. You see it? That is it. And the Barclays were there. I look forward for the show. You understand? People that come from down there so offer the excellent. Is it? Yeah, people coming from off the hill. Is it? Looking forward for the show, Mama?
Yes, sir.
Alright, tell me, show us back about the show.
It's gonna be amazing.
Amazing. What's your favorite Bounty Killer song?
I don't have one. All of them.
Oh, all of them? Okay, that's it. That is it. That is it. That is it. Yeah, people. Looking forward to going to the show, you know. You know, I'm not normal tonight. See me? Yo, dog, come on now.
Cold water, $1. Cold water, $1. Yeah.
The people. In the show we are going right now. See me? So yeah, 2 hours upon. Bless up yourself, bless up yourself. Yeah, babes. So the thing set, you see me?
Good night, y'all. Enjoy the concert.
Yes, sir.
Have the tickets out, ready to go.
Yes, sir. The paper. In after the show they keep. So, no mistake. Killer shellings. Street youth, do it youth. Beat them like a beetroot. Up and running out there with them. Yeah. That I go on. So, in the show we are going right now, so you know what time it is. You see me? 2 hours, 2 of them upon it. You see how you see me? Alright. So we will take it on the phone and that I go on. In the so we they go. So as you can see, non joke. In the way I go people scan them phone with them ticket on it. You understand? So you have to get a stamp on your hand like that and do the stamp.
Yeah.
That is it. So get the stamp on my hand and that is it. In at the show. Darkness! It's gonna be a darkness, huh? You do have a bag? Okay, yeah, you want to search it?